How to change your YouTube handle 2026. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your YouTube handle in 2026. You can do this easily from your computer using YouTube Studio. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube first. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are signed in to the correct YouTube account. Step 2. Open YouTube Studio. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then click YouTube Studio. Step 3, open Customization. On the left side, click Customization, then select the Profile tab. Step 4, change your handle. Find the Handle section. Click the edit or pencil icon next to your current handle. Now enter your new YouTube handle. Your handle starts with the @ symbol. For example, you can change it from @myoldchannel to @myNewChannel. YouTube will check if the new handle is available. Step 5, save your handle. If the handle is available, click Publish or Save. Your new YouTube handle will now be updated. Outro, and that's it. Now you know how to change your YouTube handle in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.